explain everyone how did you solve it?
So I solved it by first multiplying second equation by 3, then first equation by 3, and then y and z में एक equation बन गया, और फिर first equation को 3 से, और फिर first और third में y और z के 2 equation बना दिए.
Okay, equation क्या आया जब तुमने first और second को subtract किया? What was the equation that you got?
First और second को subtract किया तो equation आया है 13y minus 20y is equal to minus 36.
Okay, and first and third में क्या आया?
7y minus 10z is equal to minus 18.
Is equals to minus
18.
18. Are you sure? यहाँ पे 13 ही आएगा? एक बार check कर ले.
I got 14.
5 minus 9 is
14 आएगा.
यहाँ पे 14 आएगा, right?
14.
Which means it is essentially the same equation, right? So you cannot solve it.
Yes.
Guys, why were you so hesitant to say me कि sir I cannot solve this equation? Answer is like it cannot be determined. It is an answer. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब x y z की कुछ वैल्यूज ही आएगी.